Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and going straight to Settings. Don't wander through menus. Once in Settings, type Accessibility or Voice Guide into the search bar to jump directly to the control. Make sure you have any device PIN or administrator password ready because you may be asked to confirm changes. If the feature is active, note whether it's labeled Voice Guide, Talkback, VoiceOver, or Screen Reader so you can follow the exact toggle names in the next step. You now disable the service directly. Tap the Voice Guide, Talkback, or VoiceOver entry to open its settings screen and use the on/off toggle. Once done, make sure to confirm any prompts that appear asking to stop the service. Some systems require confirmation to prevent accidental disabling. If the interface is hard to use because audio feedback persists, use the documented shortcut, often holding both volume buttons or a 3-finger gesture. You finish by restarting the device so the change applies across apps and services. This also clears any lingering audio processes. If Voice Guide remains active after restart, make sure no third-party accessibility app or profile is re-enabling it and check developer options for persistent services. If necessary, reset accessibility settings to defaults, but back up any custom shortcuts first. One key troubleshooting tip: boot to safe mode to see if a downloaded app is re-triggering the Voice Guide before performing broader resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.